First we go to battle.net or blizzard.com and we download the battlenet application. Then I copy it to a new folder I made under my home directory that I called installer to find it easier and for safekeeping. To keep things more organized, I go to my second gaming drive that I call G2, and I will make a new folder that I will call Blizzard, in which I will install Battle.net and all of the games. Then we go to Steam, Library, add a game, add a non-Steam game, browse, and I had the installer in my installer folder. And we select Battle.net Setup.exe, select, add selected programs. Then we right-click, Properties, Compatibility, Force the use, and we select the latest stable, in this case Proton 9, and we run this. Then this installer window pops up. You can select your language. I will pick English UK. Now it's updating some files. Then this window pops up. If you just say continue now, it will be installed into your .steam folder under your home directory. To see this folder, you have to activate show hidden files. And then you go to .steam, Debian installation, Steam apps, compatdata, and it will be installed in the last folder it just created when you ran battlenet setup.exe. If you go inside it, you already find some program data. So this is where it would install it. But this is so many subfolders and it's on my main drive. I want to keep it a little more organized. So I will also install it to the Blizzard folder that I created earlier. I disable this. I go to change, and then here I go to my PC. Under Z, you should find this. It could be a different letter, but most likely it will be the same letter for you. You could install it into your home directory and make a folder there, but that will be on my main drive. I don't want this. So I want to have it on my second gaming drive. Under media, you will find your username. And here you will find your mounted drives. If you don't see the drive, then it's probably not mounted. And you might have to restart this to see it. Then I had it under G2, Blizzard. And then I select this folder. Now it will make a new folder called Battlenet in Blizzard folder. And I say continue. Now it's installing. Now this shows up. But if we log in now, we will have to log in again later. So we can skip this now. We close this. Now we can delete the Battlenet Setup.exe from Steam. This will remove the folder that was just created under compatdata, but that's okay. We go to right-click, Manage, remove non-Steam game from your library. And the folder vanished. Next, we go to Add a game. Add a non-Steam game, browse, and now I go to the location where I just installed my Battlenet. This was under my G2 drive, my second gaming drive, Blizzard, Battlenet, and then we select Battlenet Launcher.exe. Select, add selected programs. Then we again right-click, Properties, Compatibility, Force the use, latest stable, Proton 9, and we run this. And this from now on will be how you start Battlenet. And now you need to log in. We don't have anything installed, so yes, okay, whatever. Yes, yes. So now we install, let's say, Hearthstone. Just the normal way, you say install. And then here, if you now just confirm this location, it will install it into this folder. And this folder is on your main drive. So if you install a lot of games, this can eat up your space wherever your home folder is very quickly. So we don't want to do this again. I deactivate direct access. It's not going to work anyway, I think. So we say change folder, my PC, then under Z, I had it on media, on my second gaming drive, Blizzard, and I select Blizzard, and then it will make a Hearthstone folder under my Blizzard folder. Start the installation, and now it will install normally. And now it created a Hearthstone folder in my Blizzard folder. So it finished installing, and now Hearthstone has roughly 10 gigabytes. And this is where all the game files are being stored, but all the documents, screenshots, save files, and so on will be in this folder. And now you can play the game. That happens the first time you launch it. It's okay, just click once and it goes away. And everything is working. As a final touch, you can change the icon, the name, the background image, and the logo here to make it blend in better with your other games.